Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this is about a minus b because we want to create about a square minus b square to cancel about the square root. To do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. Next, 49, that is about 7 square. So we have this one. So we need to change about s square minus 7 square into this one. About this one, we have x plus 2 minus 9. So we have number 2 minus number 9. We have negative number 7. And now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now I will put number 7 gone here and here. So we got the final answer. So we calculate about this one. And we have 1 over 84. This is the end. Thank you for watching.